Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia, and in today's video I would say we have like kind of an old-fashioned video where I'm showing you my makeup routine every single day, what I'm doing before I go to the office. This is usually the face that you will see me if we ever meet in an office area, oh my god, if we were working together, this is the face you will see. I love it. It's very simple. Every day it takes me, I would say, like maximum 7 minutes. It's like between 5 and 7 minutes, depending what I will do with my eyes, if I will do an eyeliner or not. But yeah, very simple makeup routine that I'm sure you will be able to, recreate this look very easily. Now, before we start and dive into the video and showing you how I'm achieving this look, I really wanted to thank you all so much for all the messages that you send me here, like on YouTube, on Instagram as well. I really appreciate, first of all, taking the time and watching the video. Second of all, taking the time and writing a comment or sending me a DM on Instagram and letting me know why, from your perspective, in a way, maybe you don't like my videos anymore, or it's like hard for you to continue watching me. And I totally understand. I have built this YouTube channel based on, a Greek market, because I was speaking Greek at the beginning of my videos. I mean, for the past almost 10 years. It's only very new. It's like only 1 year that I changed the language and now I speak English. I understand the disappointment in general when you have built a habit of, me speaking in Greek and then suddenly, hello, I'm speaking English again. It's like quite, bizarre. But I really wanted to take this time and try for the past year how we will feel, how we will look, how you will perceive this change. And thank you so much for all your feedback that I have received. I'm really reading every single comment. All of you, you're very sweet, and I know that whatever you are saying, it comes from the heart. We have built a very nice community here and I really appreciate it. I haven't made a decision yet. What should I do? If I should go back to speaking Greek or if I should continue with my English content in a way here. I'm still in the process of deciding what I want to do, but I wanted to say a big thank you for all of your support and your comments, and yeah, thank you so much. So now we can resume into this video and showing you how I actually achieved this look very easily. So keep on watching. Hello, it's good to have you close and personal. First of all, I have already done my morning skincare routine, so all the serums, all the moisturizers, everything is here. Of course, don't forget your sunscreen, because especially if you're using actives like BHAs, AHAs or retinol, this is very important. Or even like your vitamin C, it's very important to use also your sunscreen. So everything is locked and now I just want to use one lip balm because I do feel my lips a little bit like dehydrated. I'm gonna use this Kinship Super Melt Vegan Lip Jelly Mask. It's one that I have in the bathroom and I like it. I mean, it's not one of the best ones that I am using, but yeah, it's a good one. So the makeup routine that I'm lately doing is super simple. I'm loving it because in almost 5 minutes, I would say, depending what I will do, if I will add like an eyeliner or not, I can go out of the house. Like, it's super fast and I love it because I can look presentable, but at the same time I haven't spent like a lot of time in the bathroom doing my makeup, so I still feel beautiful, but also it's very practical, I would say. And the most fascinating part for me is that I'm not using any foundation. If you know me since the early days, I was always using a foundation. Usually it was a full coverage one, and the fact now that I'm using only a concealer in order to, like conceal some parts that I have. Like, you see, my skin is not perfect at all. I do have like hyperpigmentation, I do have some pimples that hopefully they will die soon. But yeah, I'm using only a concealer to conceal all these marks, let's say. But other than that, I'm okay these days. I'm feeling comfortable with my skin to show a little bit of, you know, the scarring that I had, or like the hyperpigmentation that I have, or some pimples. It's okay. I do try to cover them, but I'm not like obsessed of showing like a perfect skin. The concealer that I'm using is this Dior Backstage concealer. I love it. It's really nice. They have like a really big range of shades, so I'm sure you will be able to find the shade if you're looking for a new concealer. And let me go and do all the concealing in my face and also under my eyes, because yesterday I slept like quite late and you can tell from my eyes that I look quite tired. So let's conceal that too. And the next part is to go to places where I am more like red, like my nose, around my nose, and my forehead over here. So this is it in a way. This is the places where I use concealer, kind of like all over my face, but not too much, as you can tell. And then with a kabuki brush, so this is a brush that is quite dense, as you can tell. It's like short hair and then quite dense. I'm going to buff everything. And then whatever is left on the brush, I will also pass it on my eyelid, because I do have also some discoloration over there, and because we're gonna use later a little bit of eyeshadows, it's a good eye base. And as you can tell, the technique that I'm doing is just stippling technique in a way. I'm not like buffing it like and moving the product. I'm more like concentrated into tapping the product inside my skin, let's say. It doesn't go inside, but this will give like the most natural finish in my opinion. And I will set everything now with my powder. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish in medium. I think I can also use the number 1, which is like the, I think the light one, but I currently have this one, so I'm using number 2. I will move now to my eyes using my Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Soft Glam palette, and I will go very lightly with a brown eyeshadow all over my lid. And now that I will have my base, I will go with an eyeliner. This is the 1999 Precision Color Pencil. This is the color, I'm not sure. This is the brown color. And then I will go like along my last line and I will put it all over. And then with a brush, we're gonna smudge it. Now that both eyes are completed, I'm going to my lower lash line and focusing more on the outer part, and I'm just putting, you know, a little bit of shadow, like what is left over. I have nothing, I haven't added anything on my brush, and I'm just going over there. And it's kind of like connecting a little bit the lower lash line with the upper one. We haven't finished with the eyes. I'm gonna move forward with my rest of the face, doing all the contouring and everything, and we will come back. For my contouring, I'm gonna use, of course, my favorite products. This is the Westman Atelier Face Trace Contour Stick in the shade Biscuit, and then I have a brush that is quite dense again, and it has a little bit of an angle, so it goes like really nicely under my cheekbones. So this is what we're gonna do. It's going to be a very light contouring. Some days I'm not even contouring, I'm only putting my my blush, but today, you know, we have a little bit more time, so we're gonna contour. Next step is blush, and I'm loving this step. It's like one of the most beautiful steps that we can do in our face, in our routine, makeup routine, at least in my opinion. I used to not wear blush at all. I don't know how I was going my day without having a blush, but yeah, now I'm obsessed, especially with this one. This is the Rose Ink Lip and Cheek color in the shade Daylily, and I love it. It's very natural, very clean girl vibes, like super nice. And then I'm going with the same brush that I have for the contouring, but I'm focusing more on the highest points of my cheek. I'm taking the blush a little bit like on my temples, like going this direction, in the C direction. And I also like to take it a little bit on my eyeshadow, so it kind of like everything, you know, blends together. Finally, we're going through the mascara phase, so I will curl my eyelashes. And then for mascara, I will use one that I had in my advent calendars and I really like. This is from a brand called Surat, and this is the Relevé mascara in the black, and I like it because it's quite natural, but it has also these microfibers where it gives a little bit of more volume, I would say, and sometimes length. I don't care that much about the length, but the volume I really like. And the last step is the lips. I'm going to remove the balm that I had so the products can stick better. So first I will go with my Inglot Soft Precision Lip Liner in the shade 63. I have this lip liner for so many years and I love it. Another alternative that it's also really nice for, at least for the color of my lips, it's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. I really like that one as well, but to be honest, I prefer the Inglot one. And then I will go with this Byredo lipstick. This is the solid ground color. It's a beautiful pinkish nude. I love it. It has like this hydrating formula, but at the same time it's kind of matte. It's like a very nice texture. And then for lip gloss, depending my mood in a way, I have two over here. This is the Bare Minerals. This is the lip gloss balm in the shade Hard. I love this one because it's quite like glossy. It doesn't have any shimmer inside. Whereas this one, this is the Kiko Milano. This is the 3D Hydra lip gloss in the shade 31. This has like this very intense shine, but it has also some shimmer, and it lasts like all day long, guys. It's like a beautiful one and very affordable. I think it was like 10 euros, so it's like incredible. So I'm gonna use actually this today because I really like it, and you will see the result. I just put it on the lower lip just to show you the difference between having the product that Kiko Milano and without, and you can see you can see the intensity of this lip gloss. I really like it. One thing that I don't like is that the applicator now has like the lipstick. So what I do is like I take a clean tissue paper and then I will just rub everything and it's almost new again. And there you have it, a very simple but I would say beautiful makeup that you can do every single day, very fast in the morning before you go to your work. I do it every single day from Monday to Friday and sometimes during the weekends because I really like this face. I really like how it turns out on me, and it gives me like a little bit of a boost of confidence, especially on the days that I'm not feeling well. Yeah, I do that. And yeah, that's all from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below, and if you haven't subscribed yet and you want to support me, please do subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you next week. Mwah! Bye.